So today is gonna be my baby brother's ceiling fan running on old speed. So it's a Hunter Studio series.
Hey, check this out! Bet no other wire can do this!
Right on.
Pam? I don't think she's amazed enough. We need to do something more.
It only has a low and high, so I'm gonna have to adjust it 2 times because when it's supposed to be medium speed, it's low speed. But when it's supposed to be low speed, it's off speed. So yeah.
Where's the baby? Diane's right here. Ah! She's gone? Diane's missing! Where could she be?
It was on low speed that
she
time.
really likes grass, so she could be right where Pip took off.
Oh, Diane, there you are.
You had us worried sick. Huh? I'm sorry, Captain Beekman. I was so busy trying to make Diane smile. I must not have closed the crate all the way.
It's okay, Freddie. You just wanted to make Diane happy. But we really gotta get going.
Yes, we do. And we still have time to make this an amazing delivery. Yeah! Ready to go, Diane?
Speed.
Your crate's right over here.
Yum.
Maybe she needs some help. Come on, Diane. We gotta go. Time to meet your mommy and daddy.
Pip and Freddie, we're running out of time.
We'll have her loaded up in just a second. Maybe she'll get in our crate for some Donkey Delights. Want to try these?